I'm Joe, and I'm at the Montgomery Township, PA Park, and we're just going back here during the blizzard, February 10th, 2010. See how the dog likes it. Angelo, my man. Yeah. There you go. Here we got about 33 degrees out here today, and I don't have a path out here yet, but my man's been waiting all week to get here. Place. Snow's got those gates jammed. What is it anyway? Montgomery Township, Park. Looks like the picnic tables snowed in there right up to the seats and the benches. Yeah, everything's snowed in there right up to the place you sit. You got the winds picking up now. Snowed as far as it can be, and still have the park usable. Hi. Hi. Good dog, yes indeed. My man Angelo, he's a little bit frustrated now.